Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video, I'm going to take you through the week ahead analysis. I'm going to show you some strength and weakness and some key charts to watch in the week ahead. Now, the yen has come out as the biggest gainer of last week. We saw a lot of yen pairs change in trend, and this has all been driven by the US dollar getting stronger, really, because as you can see here, most of the other currencies against the dollar have fallen. And that's what happens when the dollar is really strong. All the other currencies tend to be a lot weaker, which causes changes in trends in a lot of different markets, and especially the yen, as the yen is also seen as a bit of a safe haven currency. As well as the dollar. So when the dollar is strengthening, the yen is more likely to strengthen as well, or seems to be strengthening depending on how the other currencies are being affected. So lots of yen trend trading opportunities coming up next week. We're going to look at two today. We're going to look at the Australian dollar, as the Australian dollar has been moving lower, and we're going to look at the pound yen, because pound is one of the stronger currencies but has been reversing from those highs. So let's jump into a few charts of interest, and let's just start with euro US dollar. We spoke about last week the potential for this market to drive lower. It's broken through this key 1.2 level where the market has recently found resistance over here and support, a little bit of resistance and support here as well. So a key level for euro US dollar. Now, if I want to be a trend trader, I want to look for those key areas to act as resistance. So I want to see price come back towards this 1.2 and reject it. Now, ideally what I want to see is a slow controlled move back up into this level. If price gets stronger and we see a huge reversal in the price, let's say like this, I don't want to be short there, because that's not showing me that the momentum is still with the sellers. What I really want to see is price slowly make its way back up, nice low ranging candlesticks like we have up here and here, and then a nice rejection candlestick or reversal pattern on a lower time frame for then the shorts to continue. So that's what I'm going to look for on euro US dollar going into this week. We've had a lot of downside last week, so that might not continue. We may see the retracement more this week than the trend continuation, but 1.2 is the level that I'm going to be watching on euro dollar. Euro Aussie, I'm going to be looking for long opportunities. This more because the Aussie has been losing some ground. We've got the nice weekly bullish candlestick in here, expecting this momentum to continue to the upside. If I go to the daily time frame now, the levels that I'm going to be watching is pretty much this 157.70, where these previous structure highs come into play. Again, if we get some low ranging candlesticks towards this area here, I'm going to be looking for buying opportunities on a trend trade. Moving on to the yen pairs then, I'm on Aussie yen weekly time frame. We can see that price has recently changed trend here. More than likely going to see this trend change continue. So now that we've had that, we've been trending in an uptrend ever since October 2020. So it's been a while. So I'm expecting some further downside to this market, and if price does kind of get back towards this 83 or 84 level, that'll be a great level to start seeing some longer term swing trades, because that is the current weekly lows. So I'm going to be looking for price to come back into this area for short opportunities. Again, this may be a bit further in the future, because if we look at this daily time frame, we've seen some huge selling pressure. So we may see a bit more of a reversal this week, and either a continuation or a sort of continued pullback into that 84 area. Pound yen hasn't gone as far as the rest of the currencies, and there's some levels to watch out for here. First of all, we're going to look at this sort of 152 level. 152 has also been used as some resistance over here. So we may see some support coming back into the market there. We also have a level up at 153.50, which is just through here. Again, the market found support in and around this point. And then finally, we have support just up in here at 154.50. Again, these 50 numbers acting as support and resistance across the board for pound yen. Now, there's multiple different options with this one, because if price does find support, then we may get an opportunity from 153.50 for a reversal, or If we do get a bit more of a significant pullback, 154.50 could act as resistance as well, because you can see that it acted as support here, a resistance, and we had obviously the support from the previous level there. So I'm going to be watching for either a break and retest of 152, a reversal to 153.50 or 154.50, as we can see the trend continue from those positions. Thanks for watching this Blueberry Markets video update. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, hit that notification bell to be alerted when a new video is posted. Give me your feedback as well in the comments section down below. Which way do you see these currency markets moving this week? I'll speak to you soon.